Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to schedule IKEA home delivery. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in ikea.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to IKEA if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the left side of the screen, we have the shopping, favorite products, gift registry your account, and in the top right corner we have everything also about your account in one place. And the one of the main things, the search bar, is in the top left corner. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and schedule IKEA home delivery. So scheduling IKEA home delivery is quite straightforward, and here are a few steps. First of all, shop online, so add items you want to your cart on the IKEA website. After that, proceed to checkout. So when you find something, for instance these beds and mattresses, find one that you want, click on and go to checkout. Then select the delivery option. During the checkout process, you'll be prompted to choose a delivery option. IKEA offers several delivery services, including standard delivery, scheduled door set delivery, scheduled in-home delivery, and the express in-home delivery. Then confirm delivery details, then go to include payment, and of course receive confirmation. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.